Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to add Discord link to TikTok. So for that, first of all, what you need to do is open the Discord application. Here you tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left. And there you tap upon the server that you want to add to your TikTok. Here on the Alexa Blake server, you tap on the three dotted line beside it. And then you need to tap on invite. Tap that. Once you're at this page, you need to tap on this copy link, which will copy the link of your server. Now you need to go to the home and open the TikTok application. Now once you're at the page, you tap on profile. It will direct you to your profile, and on this profile page you tap on edit profile. Here to add the Discord link, tap on the website option, tap that, and now you need to tap on paste, and with that the Discord link will be pasted over here. You need to save this change, tap on save on the top right. It will save the changes right away. With that, if you go back, you will have your Discord link added. Now if you click that, it will open your Discord link right away. You tap on accept invite. So this is how you can add a Discord link to your TikTok. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Web2Tech YouTube channel. Thank you.